It's a Top That Trade Day. Joining us now is Phil Flynn, a Fox Business Network contributor, and Alan Eckman, an options trading guru for our Trader Game. Round number 1, lessons learned. What can be derived from how the top 1/10 of 1% is investing now?
Well, the lesson that they've learned is, and I'm not giving a buy, hold, or sell recommendation, they're in the stock market. Yeah. So disproportionately, compared to the average citizens, they've got a lot of money in the stock market. The S&P is up 364% since that low that we had in 2009. So that's where that payoff has come from.
I think Alan hit on a very historic, important point, and it's right. The difference between a lot of rich people and poor people are rich people are in the market, poor people are not. I think it comes down to education. I think we have to do a better job in this country.
We try and educate.
Kids. We try.
This is not only entertaining. This is not only entertaining. Sometimes it's somewhat educational.
I thought it was sometimes more entertaining than educational, but it's a very good thing. One of my dreams in America, instead of a new type of social program, which you think I'm against, but actually
financial literacy.
Yes, financial literacy, and not only that, giving some poor people, instead of just taking taxes away from them, let them start their own 401k account and build up wealth over generations. That's me.
Round number 2. Can you explain the conundrum when it comes to aluminum, and what's your prognostication?
I mean, this is a total can sham as far as I'm concerned.
Aluminium. It's an aluminium problem.
Remember a few years ago, everybody was like, you got to recycle aluminum, right? And then all of a sudden, we started recycling so well, we had a glut of aluminum. Prices of aluminum crashed, right? And so they were saying, please stop recycling this stuff. What happened? Low prices cure low prices.
Eventually.
Now all of a sudden, everybody is going to use aluminum cans. Bottles are a thing of the past. You've got all these new products. And now, because of this market does not have a liquid futures market like it should someday,
right.
We'll hear, we're getting price discrepancies in the market and potential shortages.
So that's the problem. Beer companies are kind of upset because they can't use these markets to hedge properly because they have to use so much aluminum. Right. More people drink beer, you might know this, out of cans than bottles.
It's moving more and more to that direction.
It's shifting more and more to cans.
And you've got these new products that are in cans, these malt drinks that are very popular. In fact, they had shortages of that. What do they call the White Claw?
There you go.
White Claw.
So Alcoa aluminum stock been trading here between 17.5 and 22.5. So that targets 27.5, which is a good deal higher here. So it's made a bottom base, and this is a stock that's down 40% in the last 52 weeks, whereas the market itself is way up.
Round number 3, risk on red light. What signal is the bond market flashing now?
Now the bond market is worried that things are too stable.
I know. They're now signaling growth.
Right. Now the bond market is worried because things have stabilized and rates have come back up. Before, the rates were going straight down because people are losing their minds and scared out of their minds. But now we're back in a risk-on environment.
Right.
So the bond people now are scared about that. Seems like they're always scared. Seems like they're always scared.
Well, they used to tell us the bond traders are the smart ones, the stock traders are the dumb ones.
I was a bond trader, so there goes that theory.
There you go. But anyway, basically the bond traders were telling us, get out of the market a few months ago.
Right.
Now they're reversing.
That was the time to get back in
the market.
Yeah.
So maybe it's time to get out. Who knows?
Do as they do, not as they say.
That's right.
Here's your bonus round question for today. Thanksgiving is coming up. So, true or false, wild turkeys can fly?
Yes.
Of course turkeys can fly.
The answer was a yes from a year ago.
It's absolutely true. I keep asking you the same question year after year at Thanksgiving.
Hey, there you go. Thank you.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.